Hello kids, today we're going to learn how to do carryover addition with our friend Bunny.
Hi everyone! I was trying to solve this sum, 27 plus 36, but I need a little help.
No worries Bunny, let's do it together, step by step. Let's start by adding the ones as 7 plus 6, what do you get?
7 plus 6 is 13.
Great, but 13 is 2 digits, we can only keep 3 in the ones place. So we carry over 1 to the tens place. Now add the tens, 2 from 27 plus 3 from 36 in 5, but don't forget the carried 1.
5 plus 1 is 6.
So 27 plus 36 is 63.
Yay, I did it! I love carryover addition. Now you try. What's 48 plus 35? Pause the video and give it a go.
Did you solve the quiz? High five if you got it right. If you loved this video, tell a friend about Ishaanya Learning Academy and make sure to subscribe for our next carryover challenge. Keep practicing and keep shining. Bye-bye.